All right, guys, why do we love industrial? We love industrial for anything that's going to get excessive abuse or outdoor use that isn't a marine setting. So tractors, farm equipment, you name it. Industrial is grease resistant, hydrophobic, water repellent, UV protection, scratch resistant, you name it, just like all the other SB3 products. But industrial takes it to the next level. This is meant to get used and abused. And let me tell you, the Polaris RZR or Turbo R that we have sitting here is definitely gonna get used and abused. There's not a lot of polishing that we can really do on this. There's lots of graphics on the painted surfaces, but the majority of the vehicle is either powder coated or plastic surfaces. But we're still gonna prep everything with Ready just to make sure that nothing is remaining on the paint or other surfaces. You see, we're gonna let it soak in, and then we'll wipe it all down. All right, for industrial, I know you're probably thinking first inclination is to spray, but we're gonna hand apply industrial. Marine sprays a little bit better than industrial does. So where possible, try to hand apply industrial, but realizing, of course, you know, there's limitations to that. So we're gonna start applying it. Cure time or flash time is gonna be, you know, a minute, 2 minutes. You just have to adjust based on your location. For us, at 71 degrees and 44% humidity, 2 minutes seemed to work fine in our test before we started the video. So we're gonna go ahead and apply. All right, like I said, we're gonna prep the vehicle with SB3 Ready. And you have to do that before you start the ceramic coating application, no matter which one. And then SB3 Industrial we're gonna put 2 coats on something like this. And we like SB3 Industrial for things like farm equipment, off-roading equipment, suspension parts, things that take a lot of beating. That's where we really like that to come into play. And it's got a 5-year warranty. And it has your UV protection and your scratch resistant and graffiti resistant and a high temp resistance also, so it's good for high temp applications. But it's good for anything that's gonna take a beating, and that's what we have right here with this Polaris today. And so I hope that was a helpful video for you. Check out our other videos on SB3 installs.